A teenager accused of causing a car crash which killed a heavily pregnant mother in Sydney on Friday has been denied bail. The 19-year-old appeared in court via video link and is facing a string of charges, including dangerous driving occasioning death. Reporter Nabil Al-Nashar has the details from outside Parramatta Court.
It was a showdown between police prosecution and Mr. Papazoglu's defense lawyer over his bail application. Police prosecution was represented by Sergeant Candace Chapman, who argued in court that he should be denied bail considering the seriousness and nature of the matter, and that custodial sentencing, in her opinion, is a likely outcome in this case. She also noted that if he was granted bail, prosecution would have two major concerns. One is that there could be a likely failure to appear and the endangering of the safety of the community, given the nature of the case. She alleged that Mr. Papazoglu was speeding and intentionally ran a yellow light, saying that this is a matter that wasn't a momentary lapse in judgment, that he chose to proceed through an orange light at an excessive speed in a manner that is dangerous. Now, this was a point that was questioned by Magistrate Ray Plebersek, who said that so far in front of him there is no evidence to suggest that there was excessive speed and that the prosecution was asking the court to make an inference.
And Nabil, his lawyer also spoke. What did they have to say?
His lawyer argued that the Macquarie University student is a law-abiding citizen with no criminal history, no traffic violation history as well, and that he has strong ties to his community. He said there was no alcohol, there was no drugs, there was no police pursuit, and there was no street racing in his history. He also countered the prosecution's claim about Mr. Papazoglu's alleged negligence, saying that it wasn't a prolonged intentional act. And I quote that this was, by all terms of the word, a tragic outcome to a series of unfortunate events that led to this sequence. Here's a bit of him outside of court today.
He's a young man. It's his first time in custody, so we were expecting that he may be released, because with all of these matters there's a lot of moving parts. And so obviously the crash investigation unit is in it. They're a very talented team of investigators, and I think that by the time all of that comes out, there will be a lot more information. But look, as the magistrate said, it's just a tragic situation from all involved. He's upset, and I think first and foremost, heart and prayer goes out to the families of the young woman that lost her life.
Mr. Schmidt also provided statements to the court from Mr. Papazoglu's mother and an uncle to show that he is of good character. But in the end, Magistrate Plebersek sided with the police prosecution, decided to deny the bail given the seriousness and the nature of this matter.